Phill, Mar-a-Lago raid. You're a lawyer. You're an attorney general. 9 hours, 30 FBI agents unannounced jump out of a Ryder truck with guns and ransack the place for 9 hours looking for paper and in boxes from the National Archives. Phill, what the hell is going on here?
John, this is a seminal moment in U.S. history, and you are absolutely correct. It's much bigger than Trump. It's much bigger than the small-minded political futures of some who are holding back condemnation of this because they're concerned about possibly being reelected. This is an assault on the rule of law and the Constitution, and it is not to be unexpected. We have come to the perfect storm of power consolidated in Washington, D.C., and in one political party who is willing to use their power to target political opponents. And we've seen this coming. You know, one of the untold stories here is how Congress, by default, has given power to the administrative state. Routinely over the past 2 decades, members of Congress of both parties have claimed to be able to fix every problem that affects the human condition, have passed laws that they claim will fix that problem, and then given the executive branch all of the power they need to execute those laws, and have not pulled that power back. And the Democrats and the left have routinely demonstrated, John, that they are willing to treat people differently under the law based on their political ideology and their thought. Let's just go back to the lockdowns, where they claimed all power in the executive branch of these states. They cut out the legislature. They implemented rules that were so broad, there's no way that they could be uniformly enforced. How close we stand to one another, whether we can attend our loved ones a funeral or visit them in the hospital. And they applied those laws arbitrarily.